Nice. Awesome. So mga kabuso, thank you very much for watching. Also, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So mga kabunso, my name is Edwin and I'm your bartender. So mga kabunso, for tonight, I'm going to show you how to make Miami iced tea. So for the Miami iced tea, you need this all alcohol. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like vodka, gin, rum, blue curacao, and sweet and sour mix juice, and of course Sprite. And my special friend, shaker and jigger. So mga kabuso, for the Miami iced tea, let's go. Ooh, very excited. And for this time, I will use this tumbler glass for Miami iced tea. Alright, mga kabuso. So, mga kabuso, let's start for Miami iced tea. So, first, vodka. Vodka is 25 ml of vodka. $25 ml of gin, 25 ml of rum, and 25 ml of blue curacao. Blue curacao. And for the sweet and sour, 25 ml also. 25 ml. Okay. And ice. Nakabuso, this is my favorite. Shake it, baby. Mga kabuso, for the shaking, like 8 to 10 seconds only for the chilling the alcohol. And of course, your tumbler, make full of ice. Full of ice, full of ice, full of ice. Almost done mga kabuso. And then perfect. Perfect. And then fill up with Sprite. If you don't have Sprite and you have 7-Up, it's no problem. It's all same. And then fill up until the end. Alright. Nice. Nice color combination. Like a similarity of bullfrog. But this, I think this is better than bullfrog for me because they don't have red ball on it. So this one with the Sprite only. So of course for the garnish, I prepared always lemon wheel. And straw. Yes, perfect. So mga kamuso, your Miami iced tea. Cheers! Yun, mga kapuso. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to share also. And of course, my segment. I like this segment always. It's a tasting time. So let's try. Mm. Strong and sweet, little sweet because this is spread. But it's better than bullfrog. For me, nice. Awesome. So mga kapuso, thank you very much for watching.